In this video, I'll show you how to reorder fields in your sign-up form in Mailchimp. Once you are on your Mailchimp account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and at the bottom, simply click on the fifth option, which is Forms. Now, once you are on the Forms section, what you need to do is simply scroll down to the form in which you want to edit. I will do my sign-up form that is multi-field, and on the right-hand side, simply click on Edit. Once you click on edit, it will take you to the preview of your form. From here, you want to edit, and to do that, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, you will see this small preview, and at the top, click on edit. Now, that will take you to the builder of your form. From here, if we simply zoom in, you will see that I have multiple fields within my form. Now, on a form, you can't just simply hold and drag in order for you to change the order of the fields. What you need to do is simply select the exact input in which you want to change the order to. Let's say you want to change the order of the last name. On the left-hand side, it will automatically show you the form container, and at the bottom, the user input. So in here, we have a user input for the last name. If you want to change the order, simply hold and drag in order for you to change the order of the user input. And as you can see, last name will be first. Now, let's say we want the email address to be at the very top. So from here, we will click on the email address. On the left-hand side, it will be selected. From here, just simply hold and drag into the area where you want the field to go to. You can also do the same until user input. And even on a form container, let's say you want to change the logo, make it at the bottom, you can also do the same thing and it will automatically change. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.